Why are you in a unicorn onesie, if I may ask?
I'm just making noises with my mouth.
Like an ASMR thing?
No. No.
But give me an example. Oh, hey, that's pretty good.
Thank you. Hello.
Hello.
You look. Who are you hiding from?
The pedophiles.
The monkeys.
Play me something.
Well, I'll play my mouth.
What would that mouth do?
Oh God.
Hello.
Hello.
I really love her hair. You see how he
Thank
complimented?
you.
You see, he skipped every single dude, but he stopped on you because
Yeah,
he's
Oh.
really good looking though.
he's a simp.
Oh, thank you. He's a simp.
He's a simp.
Oh, what's your name?
Can I make noises for you?
No,
If you really want to.
no.
Okay.
No. If our Tom could do that in her mouth. Yep. A game. A game.
Yikes.
Okay. See.
Look, having a blast though.
Yeah, I'm just making noises with my mouth.
You call
Yeah. You play guitar.
it? Yeah, do you want to hear something?
I do.
I don't mean to cause you worry. It's only hands in my pocket. And no queen on my money.
Turkey?
Sorry.
Was
I
that a
am
turkey?
drunk. I am drunk. Keep dancing. Come on.
Oh.
My name is Gabrielle from Italy, Venice. What about you?
MisFire.
I like your style of hair.
Thank you.
I want to kiss you.
No, no, no. This is getting weird.
Can you drop some beats?
I can.
Nice.
Thank you.
Hold on, I guess I have to flex now.
You gotta flex.
Oh,
Let me
should I give you a
see.
meme song actually?
Yes, please give me a meme song.
Oh, you're gonna hate me for this one.
That's good.
My talent is singing and doing this.
Oh!
Oh my god! Wait, my turn. Ready?
Yeah. Oh, bring it back. There we go. The finale. Yes.
Yeah, I don't know. You're definitely a YouTuber. So can I have a YouTube channel?
I make noises with my mouth.
ASMR YouTuber. Right here.
No, 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 no.
Oh. Can I have a preview? Can I have a preview?
You can, yes.
Gee, that's pretty decent. Jeez. Fair enough.
Mm-hmm. That's right. Costume.
Why are you judging me?